back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be removing my underarm hair, and yes guys, I have done it before. The first edition was I did it using an epilator, and the second version was using a normal hot wax, and I'm gonna link it down somewhere here in the card, so make sure that you check them out as well. And guys, what is gonna be different about this one is I'm gonna be using hard wax, and the best part is it is totally hassle free. You do not require to apply wax over and over again and then using those strips to rip it off. It is super easy compared to them. And the second thing is it reduces the pain up to 50% because hard wax do not stick to your skin. It just stick to your hair, and then they can be easily ripped off without causing any severe pain. So we are going to get inside the video guys, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It is going to mean a lot to me and it is free for you guys. So let's get inside the video guys.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
So guys, this was it for this video, and it was super fun filming it for you guys. And just let me know in the comments down below if you have any queries related to this. I only want to say guys, whenever you wax, just make sure in order to close back your pores, especially in the armpit area, you apply a cold water, or you can apply some ice, because otherwise you are going to get those chickpea and really dark underarms. And after that, just make sure that you hydrate your skin, you moisturize it. And I used an aloe vera leaf because it has antibacterial properties. It also helps in hydration and moisturizing your skin properly. And this is it guys, and I'll see you guys super soon. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel now if you haven't already. It is going to mean a lot to me, and it is free for you guys. And also just make sure to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. severe pain, the cause which are caused, the pain which is is gonna be super different. Part is it does not